Hey guys, Grass Daddy here. So around this time every year, I don't like using calendars, but for maintenance on the mower, this one works pretty well. I like on April 1st every year to do some lawnmower maintenance, and I gotta tell you, this one, I forgot to tell you guys about last year, but it's important to do every year. So thank you for ST Fedora on Reddit for pointing this one out. You know you do this in your cars, but what a lot of people forget to do with their lawnmower is rotate the tires. Now, if you want to get that nice, precise cut, you got to make sure the tires are properly rotated. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's actually, you don't need to go send it into the mechanic. I mean, if they're doing the yearly maintenance, they're probably doing this for you. But if you're doing the maintenance yourself, it's something that's easily overlooked, but it's really easy to do. So you're going to need some tools. Now, if you're using... This is for the Honda HRX. I mean, if it's a different mower, you're going to have to figure out the size. But if you're using the Pittsburgh Pro sets from Harbor Freight, you're going to want to get the red one, which is 14 millimeters, and the black one, let's see, 12 millimeters. And you want to make sure you use a torque wrench for this. You don't want to over torque your tires. That would be bad. So let's get started. All right, let's figure out where I'm gonna set the camera up. First, we're gonna make sure we raise the deck up with some wood. Makes it a little bit easier. Now, when removing, you don't have to worry about the torque too much, but I still use it just because it's easier. So I'm gonna take the bolt off. There we go. Switch it around. Realize now I should have put it a little bit taller. There we go. Ooh, that one was over torqued. Ooh, and we'll get some dirt in there. Alright, so we're gonna rotate this one here, take this one here. Now, I like to use, where was it set? Oops, wrong side. 5 pounds. Lock it in. Oh, the camera's upside down. There we go. There we go. So we're gonna torque this baby up properly. Don't want to over tighten it, cause other issues. And we're just gonna rotate them. There we go. Next one. Yeah, this is a better view. Perfect. I don't know if you heard that. If you hear the little, that means it's torqued right. We're going to do the same thing to the rear. Now the rear ones are a little bit trickier, but it's the same concept. So this one's got, oops, yeah, that was bad camera work. This one's got the gear in it, so you want, that's why you can't rotate with the front, but that's all right. So we'll get the other one. Make sure we get it nice and snug. You don't want to strip the gears in there. Hand tighten first and torque it up. fan to switch it over. There we go. Good and tight. Nice and tight. And there you have it. It's all ready. It's going to have a nice clean cut. Now if you have a real mower, like that guy there, you're going to want to flip the rollers. It's basically the same thing. It's a little more complicated. I'll have to do that video some other time. Once again, I do this every, is it May? No, the 1st of April every year, just because it's easy to remember and you're going to have a good cut quality. So thank you for ST Fud something. Oh, I already forgot his username. ST Fedora for reminding me. So have a great day. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It's what makes this really enjoyable and fun, making all these videos. And be sure to check out the ones below. Have a great day. Bye.